What do you got there, Noah?
We got an inventions kit made by Science Wiz.
Let me see it. Well, it looks like there's more than one invention you can do on there.
Yes, there is.
How many different things are there? Is there a list on there somewhere?
On the front it says light flashing generator, clicking telegraph, spinning motor, and real radio.
Oh, so you can make all of those things. What were we going to make today?
I think we should make the real radio today.
The radio. We're out here in the shop. Me and Noah are going to be cutting the base out of cardboard. I mean, they want it out of cardboard. We're going to make it out of plywood or a piece of masonite, actually. Noah's going to set it up square and start laying it out. Let's see how that goes, Noah. It's supposed to be 6 by 8. You want to set that square to 6 inches. What's the first step on this thing?
The first step is to wind the magnet wire around the toilet paper roll about 100 times by winding it carefully, trying not to get.
Here, let me give you a hand. 12.
We should end the video. So we should end the video. And this is what it should look like when you're done. See how it's sort of clear-ish? So yeah, that's step 1. After you've finished smoothing out the foil and wrapping around, it should look like this. So after you have cut the foil and everything, you are going to cut a piece of paper about the same size and length as the foil, but paper. And wrap the foil and paper around the tube without taping the beginning part to the other foil because it has to be able to move. So once you have finished that, it should look like this, and you should be able to move it up and down and stuff. But you should never move the paper and foil beyond the first foil, or else when you try to slide it back down, it will tear. And once you've completed this, you've made a variable capacitor for your radio. Okay, so the next step is making the platform. We use masonite and screws and nuts, and this is probably like the easiest step throughout all of this. Okay, so now that you've done all this, you're gonna finish up the project by wiring everything. And on the terminals, on the first one, you're gonna have a white wire and a diode, a magnet wire, and a blue wire, all on this one. And then on the second terminal, you're gonna have a diode and one end of the earphone on this one. And then on the third terminal, you're gonna have the other end of the earphone, the other end of the magnet wire, a blue wire, and a red wire with a paperclip attached to the red wire. And with the blue wires, when you're done adding them, you need to tape them to this. So now that you've finished the radio, the way it's gonna work is a radio station transmits invisible electromagnetic waves called radio waves to the radio. The antenna picks up all the radio waves and turns them into electrical currents. The capacitor inductor team picks out one signal, one station, and ignores all the other signals. The diode clip the peaks of all the signals. The speaker puts the peaks together and turns them into sound vibrations from your ear to your brain, which becomes sound. And that's how the radio works. Okay, so now the very last thing that we need to do is find a grounded object and an antenna for it to pick up the radio waves, and then we can listen to the radio.
What do you think? Why don't you try it, Noah?
Okay.
I'll adjust this. You tell me when you hear something.
Okay.
Right there?
Yeah, like you can hear it. Listen.
Yeah, let me see. Right there. You can.